This person here makes more than $20,000 on a monthly basis on YouTube, without working hard, without showing their face on camera, and with no skills or experience. And not only will I show you how you can do the same in this tutorial today, but I will also show you several other revenue sources you can take advantage of to make even more money online yourself without actually relying on ads alone. So make sure you all keep watching so you know what you have to do in order to make this work. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. As you've all just seen, today I have a YouTube channel to share with you that is making quite a bit of money online. I will show you how you can do the same thing, what tools you want to use to make it all happen, and several other revenue sources you can take advantage of to make even more money online. Without further ado, here is the channel in question. It's called alux.com. When you come on here, it probably won't take you too long to figure out that the owner has close to 4 million subscribers as of the time I recorded this video, so the channel is quite popular. And the videos you can find on this channel are pretty much all finance related, and there are a number of benefits to making such videos that I will cover today, some of which will allow you to earn more money from other sources instead of just getting paid through ad revenue. To start things off, let me show you an example video, just so you can see that this actually does not involve anyone showing their face on camera. And as you can see, it indeed doesn't. We simply have a simple animation and a voiceover to top it all off, and that's it. Even though the video is of a decent quality, it's not something too crazy or too hard to create. So this goes to show you that you don't have to create ultra high quality videos without showing your face to make this work. All that matters is that the video is in a decently popular niche. And this now brings me to my second point. Uploading videos in the finance niche like this person is doing has several major benefits. The first of which is the sheer amount of attention these videos get. Even though the ones you see on the screen right now aren't that popular really, there are some that get a lot more views. Arguably, however, the main reason you want to make these types of videos is not even the view count or the fact that they're easy to make. It's the fact that the CPM for these types of videos is insanely high. The average YouTube CPM, as many of you know, is $2 per 1,000 views, which isn't too bad, of course. But for these types of videos, the CPM is actually more like $15 to $20 and more, depending on where the owner of this channel is from. So this means, despite not getting that many views, we're talking about a lot of money here. That you can definitely see for yourselves over on socialblade.com. And the estimated amount of money made won't be too encouraging, but this is because Social Blade estimates the money made off of the $2 CPM, which is not the CPM for the finance niche. And so even though Social Blade says we're only talking about up to $17,000 or so, I think it's a lot more than that. How much exactly we're talking about, we can estimate based off of the average daily number of views, which sits at about 100,000. And so that means that whoever owns this channel makes around $1,500 to $2,000 on a daily basis, which is a lot more than what it says on Social Blade here. And this, as I said before, is the main reason you want to make these types of videos, guys. They can make you a ton of money, even if you get a smaller number of views, which is hugely important because as a beginner, you can't expect anything near 100,000 views or even 50,000 a month. And the high CPM as such makes a huge difference here. To summarize, the videos are not hard to make, they get a decent number of views, but above all, they have an insane CPM that would earn you as a beginner a ton of money. So without any delay, let me now show you how you can make those videos first, and then I'll show you the other income streams you can create for yourself as an owner of such a channel. The first step you would all need to undertake is, as always, think of what type of video you want to upload. Once again, you can use the shown channel as inspiration, so you won't be copying their videos, but just check out like 10 of the videos that they've uploaded recently and you'll get an idea of what to upload. when you do comes a really important part: research. And for this, just like the owner of that channel most likely does, you want to use google.com and just find a few good articles about your soon-to-be video. And what you'll want to do with those articles is now read them. Try to find the best one, or perhaps combine several into one decently good one. However you go about it, you now want to rewrite that article using a tool called paraphraser.io, which I have shown in the past. You need to do this because you want to avoid copyright problems, and why there would be any such problems you'll see on the next website we want to go over to today. That site is the main one you want to use, called lumen5.com. This website will literally create an entire video for you. All it requires for that to happen is a script, and this is why you went to Google in the first place and found that article from before. You need it so you can create your new video using this tool. First off, let's make this clear. While this is a paid platform, you don't have to pay them right away. If you go over to the pricing section, you'll be able to see that you can actually create a video for yourself free of charge with the website. The video won't be the best, of course, but as a beginner, it's important for now that you just start your YouTube channel. You'll worry about making your content more high quality later down the road. So with that being said, what you basically now want to do is create your new video with this software. It literally won't take you more than 30 minutes to do it, and then you'll be very close to having something you can upload onto YouTube, except that you will also need a voiceover. And here things get tricky. You can either do it yourself using a software I've recommended in the past called Audacity, or you can pay someone to do it for you from one of the freelancing sites. Just send them the script you have from the article that you've rewritten, and they'll get it done relatively quickly. As always here, I recommend you do the voice for now, since you probably won't have any money. And since, once again, you don't want to worry about your videos being ultra high quality for now. That's something you'll deal with later down the road. Once you are done with your video though, whether you've done the voice yourself or not, now it's time for me to show you another revenue source. And here, the fact that you are in the finance niche will make things a lot easier. Reason being is you will want to make money from brand deals, and platforms all about finance will pay you handsomely for sponsoring them. And the best part is that here you don't need many views whatsoever. What you want to do first now is type into Google something like best business tools or something like that, then open up one of these pages, and now what you have to do is simply reach out to all of the owners of these companies and tell them stuff like, hey, I have a decent following who would be interested in what you have to offer, and chances are they'll agree to work with you. The truly awesome part here is that not only would you be getting paid nicely, but people don't need to necessarily buy anything for you to make money. You just mention the tool you're sponsoring at the beginning of the video, and you will basically get paid for it. And while when you start things off, this won't make you that much money, it should be enough should you decide to start paying Lumen 5 and voice actors early on. And when your channel inevitably starts growing, your income will follow too. And when you do get monetized, the sheer amount of money you'll be earning both from brand deals and ad revenue will be insane. All thanks to the niche you're in, just like I mentioned to you in the beginning.